So the WR250 needs an oil change. So first we need to fire it up and let it run for a few minutes just to get it warm and make sure that the oil level can be seen through the sight glass. I may have killed the battery. Oops. Oh, now I gotta kickstart it. Alright, the bike should be warmed up enough. Alright, the bike should be warmed up enough now. So now we gotta move that over there, which is probably gonna take me a minute because the shop is closed and it is freezing and wet outside. All right, now we need to look into the sight glass, but first I need to grab a flashlight to see and do it. Is this one charged? Good enough. Should be right under here somewhere. Yeah, that's straight black oil. I put a couple hours on it. Not a couple, probably 20. And I was supposed to do an oil change on it a little bit earlier than now. But at least we're getting it done. And I almost forgot we need a drain pan. So I'm just gonna take this and the balance has got some old oil in it. We'll set it right there. All right, now we need to grab the right socket and a ratchet. I'll just grab this set. It looked pretty small when I looked at it last. So let's find out what size socket it takes and then get the old oil out.
All right. Oh, perfect, first try.
There we go.
The oil is draining now, and I will come back when it is finished.
All right, I got the drain plug back in, so now we need to put some oil in it, and it takes 1.4 liters. All right, now let's stick this funnel in here. Turn the bars, and then put the oil in. All right, now let's get this out and check the sight glass.
Sight glass looks good. Nice and full of fresh oil. So let's screw this back on. Alright, got that back on, and now I gotta kickstart it.